Okay, so Jominta here again. And this is a follow-on for the previous video, the lemon starter video that I made. I've got so many questions, and also it has over 6,000 views, which I'm so amazed about and also excited about. So you know what? I decided I was just planning in my head, what can I give to these beautiful people so it enriches them as well. And I thought of another recipe to give to you, which is going to help someone who loves that fruit. With the milk, we are going to make it hot enough, because I know not everyone has this thermometer at home. Not everyone has this line at home. So it's going to be hot enough such that you would see it bubbling. If you can see the bubbles here, see it's about to boil over. So this is the point where you switch off you turn it off, and then you cool it. And I'm going to show you how I cool it as well. So this is me here with my cold water, and I put this pot in here. So the reason why I added just a little bit is to check where this pot will be. Normally, what I would do is set it in a bigger one. So all I'm going to do is add some water to it, because this is just about not even 250 ml of milk. So when it's cooling, you can leave it, but you can cover it with tissue or kitchen towel like that, so that nothing gets into the milk. And the temperature you're looking for, if you have a thermometer, you can be looking for about 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, or you can just, my hands are clean, you can just do this. This is hot, so I'm not going to put my finger in there. You can put this part of your fingers into the milk. If it feels not warm, a bit hot that your skin can tolerate, then it means it's ready. So we need it a bit warm or a little bit hot, because we don't need it cold at all. Otherwise, it struggles to cud, as in it struggles to form the yogurt. So I'll come back to you when it's at the right temperature. So what you want to do with the oven is you turn it on to about 50, sometimes even to 100 if you want, but then let this stay on for about 7 minutes. And when you put your hand in there, you know that it's become warm. Then you turn it off, and when the yogurt is ready and it's in the oven, all you do is, if you have the light, just turn on the light in the oven, and that will be it for the next 8 hours when it stays in. So yes, it is warm to hot to touch. So all I do is pour. I'm going to use this knife maybe to get more apple into it, but then it's I think it's okay. The next step is, after adding your slices of apple and lemon into it, all you do is you squeeze a bit of the lemon juice into it, and it starts to curdle. So this is all I do. I make sure I'm not adding any seed to the yogurt that I'm making. And then I grab a spoon and dip them into it. So I have the bamboo lid of this bowl here, which really keeps everything in there, and cover it with a good clean tea towel and put it in the oven for 8 hours. So lucky enough, I made this yesterday and I have this here. So as you can see, I've got the lemons in there. So I've got my starter here, which I have done already to show you guys. Taking out the lemon. If you really want to have that lemony smell that we get from cakes, I think, and maybe trying to scrape some of the rind. So with this starter, what I can do is use a muslin cloth to just strain it. But at this point, I'm not going to do that. If I add or if I strain it, it means I want to have a yogurt which is thick. But I don't want it that way, because all I'm going to use this yogurt for is to make some chia pudding with it. So it's really not necessary for me to strain it. But this, there you go. That's the yogurt starter we've got here, and this is the apple and lemon. We added lemon because the lemon helps it to curdle and helps you to achieve that starter that you need. So yeah, any questions you have, guys, just put it in the comment below. Always remember to work with clean bowls and pots and all that, because with fermentation, if your stuff aren't clean, you wouldn't achieve the fermented food that you need. So it's very, very important to note that. If it's runny, then it means sometimes with a yogurt that I have tried, especially even with the dairy one, if it's runny, then it means that dairy one, meaning I've used the normal yogurt to start the yogurt. It means that it stayed in the oven for over 12 hours. Just try 8 hours and you're good to go. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and also subscribe to the channel and share to your friends and family, anyone who wants to know how to make a yogurt starter with apple and lemon. Thank you, guys. See you soon. In the next video, I will be bringing your way. I'm going to try another type, so look out for it, and also how I make my chia pudding with the yogurt starter. So look out for it. Bye, guys. See you. Bye.